What's up guys, Pink Tiger here today. I'm going to teach you how to make a pretty pillow out of a few materials. You're going to need some fabric at any color, some cotton, and a sewing needle with thread in it. First, you're going to put your own, you're kind of going to fold this like that. Then you're going to take the needle with the thread on it and make sure you had tied a knot right near the end, right here. You guys can kind of see it. And then you want to kind of sew it. You want to leave an open spot for when we fill in the thing. And I'll tell you guys the trick later. Hold up. Okay, so you want to kind of make it inside out, because that's how it kind of goes. Then you gotta make sure you do this correctly. So you take the sewing needle, so hard to pick up, and make sure you have that knot, because you cannot forget the knot or else it will just go straight through the thing and you'll be like, hey, why isn't this working? And so take these two ends, put them together so it looks like this. Then take the needle and then you want to sew right like that and let it go through. You guys can kind of see a little knot right there where it stopped and you can't pull it any further. If you keep tugging on it to check, then it will come out and you'll have to redo the process. Okay, so next you want to go back like this. You want to go back in. And so you'll kind of start seeing on the other side, there's a small little loop right here. Hope you guys can see that. Then you gotta look again and you gotta poke like a hole and you'll get another loop. Then you go back again and you just keep sewing.